in action. We're back in the action, boys. Hey man, as always, thank you guys so much for the support. If you guys want to leave a thumbs up down below, comment. I try to talk back to you guys all the time, so thank you for that. And man, because you guys are very dope, we also are still trying to give away this ring, man. It's been like freaking a month now. Anyway, we got a real diamond ring right here. You guys got to get 2,000 thumbs up within the day to get it. The last person that just won the giveaway absolutely loved their piece. So, want to give this away, man? Just hit the thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. My Instagram's right here if you want to go hit me up on there and tell me you did that. That being said, man, let's get into the video.
That's the new piece.
Oh, watch that back. I'm chewing like a freaking cow. How about we don't do that, Brad? Alright, gum's gone. Alright boys, so this is a little different video, but not really. I decided that we were gonna do what every other YouTuber does and do one of those like buying the highest rated item for a certain amount of money challenge. So I did that. I went on like 20 to 30 different websites of a bunch of jewelry pages that either we've done jewelry reviews on before, ones that I've heard of, ones that you guys have talked to me about, and I went through the review to see who had the best ratings, meaning like 5 stars, not a lot of 1 stars, da-da-da-da-da. Now this might not be the highest rated on the internet. I could be searching for days to find that. But what we did find is some sketchy mother rappers claiming that everything's 5-star, bro. I went on this website and it's like literally every single item has only 5 stars. That actually looks pretty legit. Because like when people are writing, they're still taking pictures of their product being like, yeah, I really dig it. So I don't know. They have really, really good ratings. In my opinion, the best I saw out of 20 to 30 websites. We gotta check them out. We got a piece for $100 and they have no 1-star ratings that I saw. So I'm a little bonkers about that. We'll take it as it is. Without further ado, boys, we're a company that you guys have actually been telling me to look at for a long time. They're called Weiss. Not sponsored, and to be honest with you guys, I think what we're gonna get is gonna suck. Someone's at the door, my side. Oh, real quick before I get into that, I forgot. I just got a little package from my buddy. You know, he showed me love by just sending me a free hat. He's the craziest jeweler I know, man. Super nice guy. I'd consider him a really good friend. And he sent us a cool hat with his like little adjacent jeweler logo right there. So just showing love to the boy, man. There's a link down below to his YouTube channel. He's trying to do some YouTube stuff, so definitely go check it out. Now on to apparently the best rated fake rapper jewelry there is. And this one's got diamonds in it, so we're definitely gonna diamond test it. It hit right here, the bone. That bone hurt, man. Don't be a bitch, don't be a bitch. Boys, we got Weiss. Like I say, everyone's been telling us to do a review on these guys anyway. I think I picked the best piece on their website, in my opinion. You guys know I love watches. It's a diamond watch. I think it looks good, but also it was very highly rated. So that's the point of the video, if I didn't already say it. Let's just get Name Brand's expert opinion on this, though. I'm not gonna lie, man. The box is kind of nice. I like the packaging. The packaging's a win. You know, if you made this white or something, a little white box activity, it would've looked better. But once again, a shop from China is pretty much what I got from your website. You guys are awful at your service in terms of emails and stuff as well. And your shipping sucks. Weiss, how about hello no? Hello no, you're not getting your package for a month and a half. I'm mainly just curious to see how the quality is really. Now this is $100 like I said. People are going gaga over it, and it's, that's stupid. I'm getting a little pickier now. At this point, we've unboxed so much stuff, it's like, I know crap when I see it. And this, if you see someone wearing it, well, I'm taking a better look at this brand. I already don't like them as it is, I think, for the whole shipping stuff. So let's act nice and figure this. Okay, so, I don't know how you did it, man. I don't know how you did it. The diamonds around here are somehow cloudy. Like, they do shine a little bit, but they're cloudy. They're just cloudy. They don't look that good, which is sometimes a good thing. I just think this is crap, in my opinion. Oh, shit. Oh, no, it's good. Okay. God, I hate when they frickin' do that. They like, usually shrink wrap this part. You can never get it off without cutting it with a knife. They did that all right. Another thing I'm looking at right now, man, this is a big flex piece. I'm putting it up here because I still have my tattoo. I don't know if you guys want a review of that or like a reveal. I'm down to do a little tattoo talk video if you guys want to, but I just got a new piece right here. So you guys let me know down below. If we got a lot of thumbs up, we will do it. It doesn't look bad. Let's start here. All right, a little cloudy. It gets a little good right here with the diamonds. All of a sudden, uh-oh. Your $100 is spent. You couldn't put diamonds on the rest of it, you idiot. But I don't know if y'all can see. It's just empty holes where diamonds should be around half the watch. Yeah, you get what you get, asshole. You pay $100 for this thing, you ain't getting a full diamond watch. But you know what? The price point, I'm gonna be honest, I wouldn't wear it. I think it just looks fake, and you guys know I wear my real stuff only. But if it looked extremely real, maybe I would. You know what I mean? I just wouldn't tell people that it's fake. If they ask me, hey man, is that watch real? I'll lie extremely fast to their face. Of course it is. Don't do that. Unless you want a fake flash. Fake flash. I don't know, dial's dope. The reason I picked this one is because it's red. 5-star review, would I give this? Absolutely not. For the price of it, no. It's $100, man. You could get this on AliExpress any day, any time for a lot less money. All they did to this to change it up is put Hello Ice right there. They got a little Hello Ice right there too. I don't want Hello Ice on my damn watch. Somebody looks at this close and like, oh, that must be a Rolly. No, it's Hello Ice. It sounds like a Hello Kitty knockoff jewelry-wise, man. You just sound like a bitch. But nonetheless, you know, we'll give them credit where it's due. It's alright. I think they got some pretty cool reviews online, and I'm not going to claim they're doing this, but it does look a little sketchy that every single review, and there's a lot of them, is 5-star. But hey man, that's just me. Anyway, we're going to get on to diamond testing real quick, because that's always a fun part of the videos, and we always use a real cheap diamond tester, because you never know with this thing, some fake diamonds can come off real, but it does look good on, man. It does look cheap too. Yeah, I don't like it. I'm trying to be nicer, man. It just blasted these guys for 5 minutes straight, right in the butt. Oh, don't do that, don't say that. All right, diamond tester, after these messages. This video is brought to you by namebrandfan.com, man. Link is down below. It's our website. We sell jewelry, probably some of the cheapest jewelry you can find online. Everything's free on there, but not really. All I ask you to do is pay shipping, and you can add 2 things to your cart for the price of 1 shipping. So don't add 1 thing and pay shipping on that. Add 2 things that are free, and then pay the exact same shipping as if you were to add 1. Do that, man. Don't, oh, sorry. God, it's such a habit. Well, like that to my mom the other day, or I meant to do that to my mom the other day when she like dropped off food. I'm like, peace, mom. I don't know why that's a habit even. I don't do that to anyone. All right, diamond tester. Now, I do want to say a disclaimer, if this does work on this piece, I don't know, man. This diamond tester, and then once again, they're 20 bucks on Amazon, 25-ish. It's never that accurate. Like, a lot of fake stuff will pass with this, so I'm not gonna say if it does pass with this, that it will pass with yours. That's just how this thing is, man. It's the worst, but it's fun to see if this stuff will actually pass, man. So first off, we're gonna try this big sucker right here. Yeah, that's a no. That's a nada. Incognito. 0. It's just not. I'll try some of the smaller ones. That one actually moved up a bit. So the, whoa! You see that? Yes! What? Once again, this might not happen to yours. Mine might, although I usually am pretty good with taking care of this thing. I haven't thrown this one yet. I've broken a lot for throwing them and they piss me off. Especially when you're trying to like show one of your friends when they come over like, hey, look it, my jewelry's actually real, and it doesn't actually show it's real because this thing sucks. Then you throw it, you have a fit. Anyway, sorry. Sorry, I'm just kind of thinking about we did not actually pass my diamond tester. What I tell you, man, these cloudy ones are the worst. Thought this video was pretty lame for a second until I actually saw that this just passed my diamond tester. Now it's not that lame. It's actually kind of a cool video idea. 5-star, best rated. I don't know if anyone said on their website that theirs passed the diamond tester. I don't sort of feel like nobody checks that. I don't know what else to say. Hello Ice. Hello no to shopping with you again because your shipping sucked and your service wasn't that great with me. But I'll let go because I think we got a cool video anyway, man. Appreciate y'all for watching. You guys are murking it. Once again, my buddy, his link is down below for his YouTube channel. He's just starting off, man. It's so easy to just show people out when you have a little more subscribers than them. I don't know why people don't do that more. Why wouldn't you just help out your buddy? Doesn't make any sense. It's like 3 words. Anyway, dope dude. Love him to death. There we go. We got something literally that passed a diamond tester. I did not think that was gonna happen whatsoever. I'm stoked. You guys let me know what you think about the watch though, and if somebody wants it, man, we'll give it away. We'll give it, if you guys get 2,000 thumbs up on the ring, and whoever wins the ring will also get this in their package. How's that sound? Appreciate y'all for watching. Quick little video. You know, it's the 5-star rating thing. It got me kind of excited. I'm like, that'll be a sick video. We haven't done one like it yet, and I did it, and I'm pretty happy with it. Bye. Hey, what up, boys? We got Editing Room Brand right here. So I just wanted to say, edited this video, and I saw I only tried it once, really, where it actually worked. I just don't want to steer you guys wrong. What we gotta say. I just don't want to steer you guys wrong, thinking that it might work to yours, because I was just playing with it again, and it has been going up a bit with some spots. But it hasn't gone to red again like it did, so I'm not really sure what's going on there, but it happened the one time. It's cool, I guess, but I'm just letting you guys know that. Alright, that's it. Thanks, boys. Bye.